अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वस्सलातु अला नबिय्यिहि व अला आलिहि व अस्हाबिहि अजमईन। अम्मा बअद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। क़ाल रसूलुल्लाहि सल्लल्लाहु तआला अलैहि वसल्लम बल्लिगु अन्नी वलौ आया। सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम व बल्लगना रसूलुहुन नबियुल अमीनुल करीम व नहनु अला ज़ालिका लमिनश शाहिदीन व शाकिरीन व ज़ाकिरीन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। On the stage, our great respectful scholars, authoritative teachers, honorable principal Hazrat Allama Maulana Muhammad Abu Saleh Qadri Shamsi, and especially our spiritual leader and great reformer Huzur Sayyid Ali Akbar Shah Jilani. May the mercy of Allah be upon him, and especially my teacher Maulana Kausar Raza Misbahi and all the other audience in front of me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear audience, the topic I have to address at today's this great meeting and the historical conference is Darul Faiz Akbari and its educational system. Before any discussion on the topic, come on, we have offered durood upon our holy prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina wa shafiina bina wala Muhammadin adada ma fi ilmi Allahi salatan daimatan bidam sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Dear audience, it won't be wrong to say that Gujarat is one of the successful and developed states of our country, India. It won't be wrong also to say that some famous cities and areas which are full of education, culture, and economics located in Gujarat. Everybody knows this fact well. One of the famous area in Gujarat is Kutch, and our holy place Luni Sharif also in Kutch, Gujarat, which is situated about the distance of 45 kilometers of Gandhidham city. The uncountable member of our prophet's family stay here. This holy place also well known because there is a great branch of Silsila Naqshbandiya Mujaddidiya and holy grave of two great personalities, Huzur Ali Akbar Shah Jilani and his son Huzur Mahmud Shah Jilani, which is origin for all the creatures of Allah to receive the abundance and blessing. At the south side of those holy graves, the greatest building is situated, which name is Darul Faiz Akbari. The foundation of this institute was laid on 9th May 1976 with blessed hand of Mahmud Shah Jilani. Different type of education, for example religious and non-religious education, is ongoing in this institute from almost 50 years ago. In this institute the student from different states likely Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, UP, Bihar and Bengal are living and completing their courses and brightening the future. Dear audience, at this time, more than 200 students from different states of India are living and achieving religious and non-religious education in the presence of talented and experienced teachers, which contain of more than 15. Dear audience, at this time, this educational training and moral arrangement of Darul is such a contained in such a department. Number one, teaching department. In this department, the education from primary to higher secondary is ongoing with the excellent arrangement in the presence of talented and experienced teachers, which contain of 8 years course. Number two, Qiraat department. This 3 years course is ongoing in the with 7 type of Qiraat in the presence of fascinating voice of Qur'an. Number three, Hifz department. This 3 years course is ongoing in the presence of an expert Hafiz Quran in the term of Tajweed Tartil. Number 4, Darul Ifta. In order to solve the common complex religious problems of the Ummah, Fatawa were to send them in the monitoring of abilityful Muftiyan Ikram. Number 5, English department. According to current requirements, English books are included with the grammar in the all classes of this institute. In this institute on the basis of students' capacity. Number 6, computer department. There is a charming room dedicated to it, which call is the Mahmoodi Computer Center. The upper classes student of this institute as included in the monitoring of a special teacher. Number 7, writing and speech competition. Number 8, BA course on the distance mode. It is a matter of great happiness for all the students of this institute, that is considering of current situation and importance of higher education. This year, Darul Faiz Akbari has been aligned. Manu means Maulana Azad National Urdu University. The advantage of this affiliation is that now any qualified student of this institute can complete his BA or BA in any branch of Manu in any part of the country, and then the basis of BA certificate he can prepare himself well for every field by getting higher education. By getting higher education, this great effort of the institute is certainly admirable. Due to its all best qualities, today Darul Faiz Akbari has been grow things. That's why Darul Faiz Akbari counted in the list of famous and great institute of India. May Allah Almighty protect Darul Faiz Akbari, its chief, teacher, student, and other member of the institution in the accidentally cases, and grant them a lot of knowledge, age, works, and health and wealth in their lives. Amin. But I want end my speech with this word, that is all valuable assessed which I have got in 8 years. This is all blessing of Aulias and teachers' affection and charity of Akbar Mahmood. I want to express my thoughts with this Urdu poem, that is कुछ नहीं मांगता शाहों से ये शैदा तेरा, कुछ नहीं मांगता शाहों से ये शैदा तेरा, इसकी दौलत है फकत नक्शे कफे पा तेरा, और दस्तगीरी तन्हाई की मेरी तूने ही की है। अरे मैं तो मर जाता अगर साथ ना होता तेरा, और पूरे कद पे जो खड़ा हूं तो ये कर्म है तेरा, अरे मुझको झुकने नहीं देता है सारा तेरा। थैंक यू वेरी मच। Thank you, audience. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.